Now we are going to see one small topic over here. If you see in this program, we have to mention this long name of the type structure student everywhere in this parameter list while the declaration of structured student s, and in the definition while collecting the parameter. We can make it simple by using type define keyword of C. In this case, we can give alternative name to the data type. So type define struct student as student, and now we can use just student as a data type name instead of using struct student everywhere. Syntax of type define is like, in fact, we can give name to the fundamental data types by using type define keyword like this. Type define int as integer, and now you can use integer in place of int. The same syntax I have used over here, so that we can use student in place of struct student. So let me demonstrate. Here you don't need to specify complete name, you can simply write student. Here you don't need to specify the complete name, you can simply write student. Here you can simply write student, and in the definitions you can simply write student. So let's execute the program. So here you can see the output, and there is no error in the program. So this is how we can use type define keyword to rename the type. There is one more alternative syntax for type define. Let me demonstrate. You can directly use type define over here, and instead of giving name as student like here, you can mention that name student. So what you are instructing is, you are creating a new type of structure with name as student, and these are the members. So this is also one of the format, but I prefer using this syntax.